Welcome back, my chickens. It is I, Ryan 3000. I must play Minecraft every day. One Minecraft day per day. And today's no different, although it is a very special day, I will admit. I will admit it's a very special day. I saw someone comment that I should mine the obsidian like this, so I'm trying it. I think the water will protect me from lava. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Sorry. I'm just gonna... This is already taking so long. This is pretty awkward. Guys, today's awesome because this morning I woke up at 5:30 a.m. and that's because I was gonna run a half marathon today, and I did. That's exactly what I did. I ran a half marathon, and I told you guys yesterday my goal was to run 5:42 per mile. You're never gonna believe it. You're never gonna believe it. Look at this. Look at this. Half marathon PR. I ran a little over 13.1 miles at 5:40 per mile. My final time was 1 hour, 14 minutes, and 38 seconds. Okay, but as you can see here on the left, Haley ran it too. Go Haley. She did a great job. So proud of her. But this is the video that it's very essential you see. Listen up. I just met a fellow World 3000 chicken.
Love it.
Are you a subscriber?
I am.
So you're a chicken.
Yeah.
Harvey, the goat. Well, the chicken. All right, thanks for watching. Dude. Absolute legend, Harvey. Harvey 3000 in the flesh. My first time meeting a chicken IRL. Harvey, you're the best. I told him I'd put this in the video. Also, okay, so I got the medal. That's good. Also, I got to wear this tank top with the Brooks logo and the Joyride logo. It says Joyride on my bib. How cool is that? I had the opportunity to represent Brooks. I basically got like a partnership with Brooks, which is so cool because I ran in Brooks since I was in high school, like a freshman. So that was like a dream come true. That's very exciting. I got 5 obsidian. Wait, how much do I need for enchantment? I could always come back, but I don't want to take all day mining those because I will take all day. Trust me. Okay, we're going back. Big day today is what I'm trying to say. So I thanks for all the support, cheering me on the half marathon in the comments. I started off really fast. Like I think my first mile was like 5:30 something, and I was like, uh-oh, that's not good. Because I was going too fast. And I just kept going strong. And then it wasn't until like mile... Oh, why'd I do that? Uh-oh. It wasn't until mile, what, 9? Where I started panicking and I was like, oh my gosh, I'm in so much pain. So that's good. I mean, it's good to kind of get to that far in and feel like you're actually hurting. Because otherwise, it's like, did I really try that hard? Yeah, so... Also, I'm recording this right before the Texans game, guys. Right before the Texans game. You guys told me that I'm hitting my head still because I need to mine it one more block down. Just going to do that real quick while I describe how important this game is. So I'm a Houston Texans fan from birth, essentially. I grew up around Houston. I've watched the Texans forever. I love this Houston Texans team. They're in the playoffs. They're about to play the Patriots. They've won a bunch of Super Bowls with Tom Brady. If you guys keep up with football, it's like, okay, the Patriots. So I've got my jersey on. CJ Stroud jersey. Best quarterback in the NFL. So I'm hoping we get a dub. You're watching this right now. You can go check the score of the Texans game. Look up Texans versus Patriots. You're going to see the score. If the Texans won, just know I had the best day of my life. If you're watching this right now, you can go check if I had the best day of my life yesterday or not. So, yeah. It's a pretty big deal is what I'm trying to say. Oh, give me that. Give me that XP. Okay, so I need to figure out how to make an enchantment table. Oh, I do have enough. Okay, I need one book. And then we can start enchanting. Is that an obsidian? Oh, I got 6 obsidian. Cool. Lava bucket. water bucket. And let's put a bunch of junk up here. Actually, I'll put a bunch of junk up here. I got the string. That's what we were on a quest for yesterday. Very excited that we have string because... Oh, also, there is a guy who was posting the Ryan 3000 community that I should download his graphics pack, and he turned apples into Joyride. I've never done a graphics pack before, so I could not tell if it was actually going to work, and it worked. So, thank you so much. I'm about to eat Joyride IRL and Joyride in the game. Dude, it looks so good. Oh my gosh, no way. I can't eat it yet because I'm hungry. I'm not hungry, I mean. Okay, let's make a bow. I have sticks. Yes, okay. Bow. Oh my gosh. Boom. I love bows. I actually don't even... I wish I didn't have to use it for the dispenser, but I do. Oh, wait. My emoji keyboard pulled up. Okay, so dispenser. Yes. All right, I need cobblestone, redstone. There's the redstone, and there's the cobblestone. I mean, I might as well make... I can't make two. I was going to say I was going to make two. Dispenser. Voila. Can I sleep real quick? I'm just going to sleep. Don't want to deal with any mobs now that I have the string that I need. Oh. Man, I wish I had the same flavor of Joyride in here. It's so funny. Oh, I want him. Let's go. Ender pearl? No. No ender pearl. Okay. Do I have shears? No. All right. Yeah, Harvey was so nice, though. Very nice guy. There's my shears. I actually need those. Guys, I'm eating Joyride for the first time in the game. Just like I remember it. Just like I remember it. Today, I'm actually eating cherry berry ropes, IRL. It would have been cool if I had the blue raspberry sour strips, but I don't. What's up, man? Get away. Nice copper iron. Oh. He just hit me through the fence? I didn't know he could do that. I guess if I can hit him, he can hit me. Okay, so we are going to place this dispenser here. Look at all those eggs. Okay, so I need a redstone torch. Ah, yes. Wait, I can just make some right now. Oh my gosh, guys. If these chickens start shooting out chickens, I mean, yeah. If this dispenser starts shooting out chickens, it did it. Okay, I can do this. Here's what I do. I put this. No. Let me get the redstone out. Guys, are we about to have automation? Are we about to have automation? Guys, it works. Okay, so now for forever, this will be shooting out the chickens, or I should say the eggs that these chickens lay. Look at that, another. It might not seem like much right now, and I think I can improve this dramatically. I can improve the design very much. But that's automation. That is our first form of automation that we have actually seen in Ryan 3000 World. World 3000 is what they call it. Guys, moment of celebration. I don't want to just move right past that. Moment of celebration. There's our first chicken. Hello! Our first chicken, our first automated chicken. Welcome to the chicken coop. Mwah! This is a big deal, guys, because as you know, we have grown to a large number of chickens on this channel, okay? The rule is I must have one chicken for every subscriber on this channel. By the end of 2026, it sounds like a very daunting goal, especially because right now I think we have like, dude, we have like maybe 40 chickens. For some reason, I just feel like we keep decreasing in chicken size. But this is how I'm going to AFK tonight. I'm going to AFK and we're going to see how many chickens I will have. So that's huge. Real quick, I'm just going to go see if we have any seeds in here. Any seeds? So I can mate the chickens? Yes. Okay. Let's go mate some chickens. That way we're egg maxing. I hear a skeleton. I'm almost, well, guys, now I just need a book, and I can make an enchantment table. So many things are happening that are positive. So many things are happening that are positive. Can we just get W's in the comments? Can you just spam W? Just comment the letter W. There's so many victories occurring. And if the Texans win today, that will be WWW. This is like the origin of the internet. World Wide Web. All right? This is incredible. Guys, good job. Stay positive, my chickens. Start laying those eggs like it's your duty. Because it is. Oh my gosh, you're gonna have so many friends when we wake up tomorrow. You want one? I'll give you one. I'll just let you enjoy that. No strings attached. Okay, I'm gonna put up some stuff here. I'm stoked about having Joyride in the game. Thank you. I want to say your username was AgriPapas. I think I'm saying that wrong. But dude, you're a legend for making this. It looks so yummy. I feel excited at the prospect of watching them fall from trees. So thank you. Let's put up some of these tools, and I'm just going to go. We're making a run to the chicken hut. I'm not going to say it's our last run to the chicken hut because we have tons of eggs there that we're going to have to transport. But I will say there's not going to be many more runs to the chicken hut. Also, that's where our sugarcane farm is. So I'm going to have to make a bunch of paper very soon. Okay, I just got to open this up real quick. Cherryberry rope. Oh. My favorite Joyride. I'm not going to lie. Hey-ya! I ain't scared of you. Hello, chicken. Praise the Lord. Life is good. Chicken hut. Okay, yeah, I didn't AFK last night. As you can probably tell. What up, chickens? Okay, I'm gonna come to the chicken shortly. Real quick. Oh, I guess we don't have that much. We don't have that much sugarcane, actually. Well, I just need a little bit of leather for the book. I don't need that much leather. Or I don't need that much paper for the book. I just need just enough paper for the enchantment table. And obviously, I kind of made the mistake of killing all the cows that I've seen so far. Because now I'm going to have to go hunt for some cows. But either way, life is good. Okay, I'll take these. Fire charge feels valuable. Anything in there? Nope. Tons of eggs. Trapdoor. Anything of value. I'll take this. This is good. Stone? I feel like stone is pretty valuable. Yeah. Doors. Alright, guys. I'm just here to collect eggs. Honestly, that's what I'm gonna do. Just collecting eggs. Okay. Alright, let's run back. It takes some time, but I think it's worth it. And also, I think at some point we'll automate this. We'll automate the wheat farm. And then we have infinite seeds. We have infinite chickens laying eggs. When I say infinite, that's a big stretch because there's a big difference between infinite and about 50. But the point is, we're going to reach an exponential rate of growth at some point. And my chickens, you're going to want to be around for that, aren't you? At some point, the hope is that we will cross a threshold to where there's no question that if you're watching this video and you're subscribed, you are a chicken in World 3000. Like, you are a chicken. You represent an actual chicken. That's the desire and the hope. Guys, odds that we can find a cow in the next 6.5 minutes. Ooh, 3? Thank you. Pretty low, I'd imagine. Just gonna check over here. Cow? Pig? I don't think pigs drop leather. You seen a cow? Can I hit you with the shears? Nope. I should probably... Oh, wait. Yeah, I'm gonna need more leather anyway because I'm pretty sure with the enchantment tables, you actually need like a whole... like a bunch of bookshelves, and that's how you maximize the power-ups you get. So, do we have another chicken? Only one still? That's okay. Well, I'm just going to manually do this real quick. Look at all this space we have for chickens. There's another. Okay. Oh, man. I can't tell you guys how good it feels to actually know that we're going to be making progress on this chicken goal. It was kind of stressing me out. Like, I feel like the past 2 weeks, I haven't really made much progress on our chicken count because, you know, we're just doing the essentials. We're doing the setup. We need to make sure that I have armor. We need to make sure I have the resources. I needed to get redstone for this dispenser. I needed to go kill some mobs to get string. Like, there was a lot that we had to do. And man, it's begun. The great chicken. We need to have a sick name for it. The Great Chicken Project. I don't know. The Great Chicken Resurgence. Haha. I don't know. That doesn't feel like right. There was not an initial surgence, so I don't know if it would make sense for them to have a resurgence. Look at it! Look at all them chickens. Kyle's witnessing it all. He's like, dang, Ryan. Here, you can have a seed, Kyle. There you go. Okay, I can't give them... Oh, I gave one. Wait, I swear these are, like, falling. Like, I did not add that. Does anyone know how to apple max? How do I get as many apples as possible? AK Joyride. I'm gonna go to sleep real quick. Oh, man, I'm so happy. I'm just so happy. Thank you, guys. Thank you for the support. Okay. Yep. All right. Junk. I'm not going to call it junk, but you know, I'm just going to put everything in here for now. I'll organize another time. Let's see if we can get paper. Let's see if we can make a paper. Boom. Okay, what's a book? A book requires 1 leather. Do I not have 1 leather? I thought I used the leather for something. I don't think I do. Yeah. Well, that's okay. We'll get leather. Leather will be acquired. Okay. I guess that's next. I guess next up we need to get leather. AFKing tonight is going to be a movie. I also would love to get a bow. It's probably my favorite Minecraft weapon. But hey, in the meantime, I can always clear out some more stuff. Iron. Okay, let's get some sticks. Just gonna do a little bit of cosmetic work on World 3000. We will have to build an aquarium soon for the axolotl. Potentially named Jared. I'm not committing to that. I'm open to other names. It's just, you know. I can't really name the guy yet. Haven't even taken him out of his bucket, so I don't even have name tags. That was the whole problem with Rooster, is like he didn't have the dignity of a name, despite how much he contributed to this world. So I'm just gonna keep harvesting this guy's wool, because I feel like at some point it's gonna become valuable. I don't fully know what the point of wool is. I know it's useful for beds and carpet, and we can make our chicken actually made of wool eventually. Our chicken house, that is. Man, Texans. My prediction for the Texans game is that the Texans win 19 to 14. That's my guess. That'd be a weird score. But weirder things have happened. You guys are literally living in the future I desire to live in because you can just go check if they won. But hey, I'm positive. I feel good about it. I don't know what I'm going to do after NFL season's over. Actually, yes, I do. I'm going to lock in on Minecraft even more. So, just to recap, my hope is that tomorrow's episode, we see an absurd number of chickens in this chicken coop whenever I log in. So, I'm just going to end the episode over here. Let's go over here, guys. I think this sheep wants to join. Do you want to join? Can you eat this? Go in there. Go in there. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no. Come on, sheep. Okay, I don't want to risk it. Hopefully, we log in and there are many more. But in the meantime, I'm just going to make a little safe hut here. I'm going to be here. And I'm going to make sure my computer is not making this noise all day. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.